Hi, I'm Brian Johnson, owner of Innovative Tools, and today I want to talk about removing the box from the truck in kind of the old way. I'm old school, 21 years in the trade, and the way we used to do it, have 4 tacks, one in each corner, and the guy that do the short straw would have to have his hand here and lift it up, and then so you don't bump the box up against the cab, you'd have your fingers in there and get a pinch finger. Well, we've came up with a new product. They're called the Innovative Cab Protectors, and it's got a metal frame on it. It's all plastic coated, so there's no metal on metal contact. Then we got a rubber boot here that is just to keep the pad parallel to the box. And we came up with a perfect material. It's an EVA foam. It's got a pretty solid durometer to it, but it's thin enough and flexible enough to get between the box and the cab. Real easy to use. You just come in from the top, slide it down like that. Now you do not need to worry about damaging your cab when you're putting the box back on. And I came up with this when I was working on a bed lift, and I'm back here by myself lifting trucks, beds on and off by myself, and I was constantly having to walk around to see where I'm at because I'm concerned about bumping the box up against the cab. Once I came up with this, it was a night and day difference. Wasn't even a concern. Now you just gently roll your box up against your cab, drop it in place. When you're all done, they just slide out like this. These are the Innovative Cab Protectors. You're gonna love them.